Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy, it's spent. A fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another one for you. I got a couple items for you today. I'm gonna be doing sublimation face masks and some cell phone cases. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all straight in to Silhouette Studio, and y'all can see some small parts of how I get the design done, send it to print, and then I'm gonna take you back over to the heat press. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are in Silhouette Studio, and I'm gonna show you real quick how I'm gonna take my template and then get my image into the template. It's a couple of ways to do it, but I'm gonna show you. I'll show both ways. So let me see. Let me just make a duplicate of my template, and then I can show you a couple of ways. But I know the way that I need to do this one actually. So I'll show you that the first way, which is in my library. You can actually save different photos in it that'll be imported into the library, and that's basically any photo you have, whether it's downloaded or something you created. So I'm going to skip that, and then I want to go to my user designs, and I should have that same one in here, which is this one, and I didn't want it opened all the way, but once I clicked it once, you see here how it just added it right into it, and it looks pretty decent. I just I don't like the way that it's got this cut off, and this part is not all that detrimental to me, but I wanted to see more of We Got You. And you can come over here to, I believe it is it the pattern fill window, and in advanced you can scale it a little bit, but you see what it does when you scale it. It actually will add more into it, so it's not, you know, that great when you try to scale it. And let me see here, you could actually move it. You can pan the pattern and move it around and stuff to get more of what you want to see. As you see here, I can move that up, but then I'm moving too far away from, you know, taking this out. Where it was pretty decent to me. So here's my other way of doing it, where I basically bring that in, and I'll say somewhere about there is pretty good, and I'll select them both. Let me just move this over a little bit. Hold on, let me Control Z out of that, because I'm actually shortening up my template, which is not what I wanted to do. But I can do that with my picture. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and I'll select them both. Then I'll come over here to modify, and then I'll crop it, and there you go. And that's pretty decent to me, because it's like you can actually read it. Some of them is gonna fit right in there perfectly, but like for me, this is for me personally, so it's basically where I want it to be. So let me move this out of the way, and I need to change my paper size because I'll be printing on 11 by 17. And as you can see, I had some other stuff I was working on here. But let me move this up. And I'm doing a cell phone for my wife. You can hear my baby crying in the back. But things happen. Okay, so I'm gonna be printing both of these out. Might as well do it all at the same time. Okay, so I could actually leave mine like this, because when I go and I want to print on my sublimation printer, which is my Epson. Okay, see right here, it's already set to 8.5 by 11, but I made some presets in here for my 11 by 17, and once I click that, then I got my preset. It already knows to reverse it, so I didn't have to reverse it myself. And you know, the color is high and everything is pretty much set the way that I want it. I'll do another video at some point if you want to see how to create your presets if you don't already know how. But basically, it's like you hitting this button here, add or remove presets, and you can go ahead and do that if you have the same setup. So I just click OK and print, and now I'll meet you guys back at the heat press. Alright, I got everything printed out. I'm back over here at the heat press, and I'm gonna start off with the cell phone case. As you can see, I got it already taped down to the print. I'm using heat transfer tape around the edges here to hold it down. And with this one, you can actually lay these with the metal up or down. It don't really matter, because these get so hot, the metal will get so hot that it's going to sublimate on there pretty good anyways. But what you want to do is go ahead, lay it down on the press. Let me grab my other sheet. Get another sheet of butcher paper. I already have one laying down here. Got you more focused on me rather than the press right now. But just grab another one and set that on top of it. Alright, now I'm going to be pressing this cell phone case at 400 degrees for 70 seconds. As some of y'all already know, I did the plastic version of the cell phone cases. I did that before. I'm not a real big fan of them, but I did get some to some customers, and I finally got like some real good print out of it. I still like the aluminum ones a lot better. I just like the shine and whatever else it adds on to it. You know what I mean? Once you get your little template and everything made up, get it set around there, boom, it's nice and it's good to go. And also, you know, if you guys, anybody is interested in a template, I have templates for some cell phone cases that I've created. Then I've got for the face mask, I got some for business cards, you know, you name it. If you guys need any of those, just go ahead and hit me up. Drop it in the comment below or something, or you can just hit me in my email. Alright, so that's done. Woo-wee! You want to go ahead and try to get it peeled off quick as possible. Me, like a dummy, I'll go ahead and try to just peel it off barehanded, don't care. Alright, so got it all sublimated. As you can see here, that is me and my kids. This is actually one that was doing for my wife. She told me what she wanted on it, and there you have it. Alright, so next I'm going to be moving on to my face mask, which I'm making for myself. I don't really get a lot of time to make stuff for myself, but I got some time today. I got time today, cuz. Okay, so what I need to do is I want to go up to 90 seconds. We're still going to be at 400 degrees, but I mean, for you, your settings may vary, because me with like well, this is actually polyester, but with fabrics and stuff, I've seen some where they call for like 400 degrees in like 60 seconds, something like that. But for me, it always seemed like it wasn't enough, and you know, I started going up to, you know, well, I'll go up slightly to see how things was, you know, just trial and error, and 90 seconds seem to be pretty good to me. There's some things that go all the way up to 120 seconds, which I actually probably could, and with this, I would just probably, I'm gonna just stay at 100 actually, which will be cool, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to burn it, because you can go past a certain point where it'll burn. Let me shut up and get that pressing. Yeah, it will get like pretty brown. It'll start browning and stuff like that, and you'll see it in the print, and the paper will actually be burnt and things like that when you doing it for too long. So you know, with that said, just play with it a little bit to see what works on your heat press, you know, because everybody's settings is a lot different. I use the Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch, and they call for like 350 degrees, but me just having my knowledge in vinyl, because it's a printable vinyl, but when I press just normal vinyl, I do it at 300 degrees. So when I was pressing the Nina, it wasn't sticking, you know, and I'm like, what? So then once I went down to 300 degrees, 15 seconds, made it happen. It worked for me, and then I still get their stuff today. I never had an issue. I mean, customers are happy. I make stuff for myself, for my wife, for my kids, and you know, it lasts. So I mean, it's all about trial and error, seeing what works for you, you know. Okay, we're just about wrapping up right here. Hopefully I didn't burn it. I don't think I burned it, but nah, it should be good, because I have gone up to like 120 seconds, but you can see a little bit of browning start to happen at that point. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, so I got what I wanted out of it. Here we go. That LCT Unlimited. We got you. It's a wrap. So yeah, if y'all need any templates or anything like that, hit me up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and next time you come back, bring somebody with you. Let them know LCT Unlimited is working, and we're gonna be right here with some more videos for you when you get ready to come back. So remember, be individual, be independent, be you. I'm out. $10, but I give you 2 on the string. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much work. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the streets with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle your business, but all you do is talk, nigga, still ain't did shit. Get off your ass and get up off the block. Go and get yourself some game, man, and keep it in stock. Until then, everything you do is gon' flop, cause the game don't wait and the game don't stop. The money ain't shit without game. So get what you can get whenever you forget. The money ain't shit without game.